Morning, dear students. This is your science class, and today we are going to proceed our chapter that is air, water, and weather. Today we will revise about water. Where we find water? We can find water in a lake. You can see in the diagram, in the river, in a waterfall, the clouds, in the sea, in the groundwater, reservoirs, and ice caps. These are the things here we can find water. But the drinking water is available only 1%. That is 1% of total amount of water is potable water, means that we can drink. Remaining water we cannot drink. These are the sources you can see in the diagram. You find water here from these resources. Okay. Fresh water. Most of the water on earth is salt water. You know that 71% area is covered by the oceans and seas, and you know that in the seas and oceans salt is present and minerals are present, and that's why we cannot drink this water, because salty water we cannot drink, we cannot digest it. Only little is fresh water. Fresh water is available in very small amount, that is present under the ground or in the lakes, on the sea, or in the rivers, or on the poles. Oceans and seas are salt water. Water here is solid, means the water that is present on the poles. These you can see in the diagram of the earth. It is present white spot you can see. तो यहाँ पे जो वाटर होता है that is formed in the solid form, that is ice in the form of ice caps. यहाँ पे solid form में होता है. And water in the mid area, that is in the oceans, it is in the liquid form. And water in the atmosphere, that you can see this outside the earth's surface, in the atmosphere, that is in the form of gas or vapors form. All about air. Air is a mixture of gases, means there are different types of gases in the air, like nitrogen, oxygen. 78% nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, and 21% oxygen, and 1% remaining gases and water vapors. We cannot see air, but it is all around us. We cannot see, means through our eyes we cannot see air. What we can feel air when it blows in the form of wind. इसको महसूस कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते एयर को, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज़ कलरलेस, odorless. People and animals breathe oxygen from the air. You know that we continuously breathe. We inhale, we take air inside, and exhale, take out air. तो this process known as breathing. Breathing process में ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ करते हैं. All living things need air to live. Means whatever the living things are present on the earth, they need air, because in air important gases are present that are required by the plants and animals. You know that in the process of photosynthesis, plants need carbon dioxide that is present in the air, and all the animals need oxygen that is present in the air. Plants cannot grow without air. You know, plant will die if photosynthesis will not take place, and for the respiration process also they need oxygen. People and animals can't breathe without air. Without air we cannot breathe. Air is found in the atmosphere. This diagram is shown that air is found in the atmosphere like this. You can see in this diagram, this air is found in the atmosphere. Next, atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the earth. It's a layer of gases, means ये diagram में you can see इस तरह से एक ब्लैंकेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, दैट इज़ एटमॉस्फेयर का स्ट्रक्चर। इसमें ही हमारी एयर जो है प्रेजेंट है। नेक्स्ट, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एयर। एयर इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेज बट इट consists mainly of oxygen and nitrogen, because major constituent of air is nitrogen and oxygen. You know that here you can see that 78% nitrogen is present, 21% oxygen present, and remaining gases that are 1%. As water, it has no smell, no taste, and no color. We already told you that water is colorless, odorless, means इसमें स्मेल भी नहीं होती है और ना ही इसका कोई कलर होता है और टेस्ट भी नहीं होता है इसमें कोई। नेक्स्ट, विंड। व्हाट इज विंड? विंड इज मूविंग एयर। वेन एवर द एयर स्टार्ट्स मूविंग देन इट इज नोन एज विंड। हॉट एयर गोज अप एंड कोल्ड एयर गोज डाउन, मीन्स जो हॉट एयर होती है वो ऊपर के लिए जाती है और कूल्ड एयर जो नीचे की आती है। द डिफरेंस इन टेम्परेचर कॉजेज विंड। जो टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस होता है उसकी वजह से विंड कॉज होती है। मीन्स टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है तो एयर जो होती है ऊपर जाती है, टेम्परेचर कम होता है तो एयर नीचे आती है और उसी वजह से विंड कॉज होती है, मतलब विंड चलने लगती है। विंड मूव्स एयर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, मीन्स एयर जो एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज विंड। दिस इज वाई क्लाउड्स मूव। इसीलिए क्लाउड्स जो मूव करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। यू मे हैव सीन क्लाउड्स आर मूविंग इन द स्काई। टाइप्स ऑफ विंड। नो विंड, काम, मीन्स विंड अगर नहीं होगी तो बिल्कुल काम। लिटिल विंड, ब्रीज, मीन्स विंड चल रही होगी धीरे धीरे तो उसको हम ब्रीज बोलेंगे। स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड दैट इज़ गेल, एंड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड दैट इज़ हरिकेन, मीन्स जो तूफान होता है उस टाइप का, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स। एंड एनीमोमीटर मेजर्स हाउ फास्ट द विंड इज मूविंग। एनीमोमीटर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर measuring the speed of air. Or weather vane tell us wind direction. You can see in the diagram, this is the weather vane tell us wind direction, in which direction wind is moving. और एनीमोमीटर होता है वो स्पीड को मेजर करता है कि स्पीड क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द स्पीड ऑफ द विंड। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you have to do the given exercises in your notebook. Thank you, have a nice day.